Here at Lloyds, we're always looking for ways to innovate, to make sure our claim service is as smooth as possible and puts our customers' needs first. We've built our global reputation over 3 centuries on our promise to pay all valid claims. We do it by providing unparalleled security, global strength, exceptional service and world-class expertise. We call this the Lloyds Standard, and it's what makes us different.
Technology is advancing and customers expect better, so the Lloyds Standard is more important than ever. That's why the Lloyds market explores and invests in new ways to meet customer expectations. Satellite technology used by our partners is one of the ways we're trying to speed up claims payments for policyholders.
Satellite imagery helps insurers understand the situation on the ground before inspections can be carried out in person. For example, the recent California wildfires have been some of the most devastating on record, burning tens of thousands of properties.
When there's a wildfire, usually the affected policyholders contact their local insurance company in California with their claim. Somebody else will then be appointed to investigate the claim in person. That's a typical process, but if the fires are still going on, then getting teams in to investigate isn't an option.
This is where we come in, using our satellite technology to help assess the situation on the ground. The technology gathers intelligence remotely, showing us the areas most deeply affected, helping Lloyds underwriters to understand the true scale of the situation much faster. You can start the investigation process without having to wait.
In some cases, our underwriters may have enough information to pay claims before the fires are under control and without needing to visit the policyholder in person to assess the damage.
We all know disasters happen. The fundamental value proposition of insurance is to help people get back on their feet when disaster has happened. And fundamentally, of course, speed is of the essence as well. So it's not just about paying claims in full, it's about paying them in as timely a way as possible. When you think about things like fire or flood, you can imagine it's incredibly hard often to get access to the site. And this delays the claims settlement process. So we're trying to deploy new technologies from satellite imagery, technologies from drones, to get closer to these points of disaster more quickly, to assess the loss and therefore to get the checkbook out more quickly to pay the claim.